I wanna be your jackhammer. That's the closest I could come up with. So yes, let's unbox the Jackhammer Massacre. I like it, I like it, I like it. This is from Lionsgate. I like the name. The name alone kind of sells me on it. For some reason, anything with massacre in the title kind of draws me to it. So let's take a look and see what's in here. This one stars Aaron Gaffey and Kyle Yaskin. There's the front cover. It's okay. A little low budget, but it kind of works with the name. Kind of get an idea of what's going to happen. There's the back cover with all your juicy tidbits. You know, pause it if you need to. You will notice the rating on this is a rated R. So that's a hard R rating. And we look inside. We get some artwork on this disc. It is pressed. And then last but not least, let's check. Nope, just blank on the back, which would be expected. You know, it's short of being like French. But I would guess that this didn't have a French release. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. I don't know. But yeah, there you go. The Jackhammer Massacre unboxed on DVD. I don't know anything about the film, but I know what's inside now. Until next video, take care. Have a good one.